Hello my dear friends, today I teach you how to make this money easy and fast. Look at this my friends. Do you want to make money like me easy and fast? Today I show you how it works this hack on 3 mobile Android phones. Let's go. My official Telegram channel Shark1x Games and me Shark1xBet if you want this a real working hack for 1xBet official website for Aviator Crash game. Actual fresh date and fresh time 20 October 23 years my friends, you see 20 October 23 years. And let's go and show you how it's work. Go to the Google Chrome, Shark, go to the 1xBet official website, 1xBet, 1x Games. And first link my friends is official 1xBet website, 1xBet.com all games, you see, first link official 1xBet website. All this real, don't worry. Yes, you see my friends, 1xBet.com all games, you see, official 1xBet website. All this real my friends, you see that. Go to the Crash game, go to my mobile Android phone, Aviator Predictor application, choose 1xBet, yes, you see, all this real, all this work perfect and correct. Next coefficient 1.63 my friends, look, check in. Yes, you see it's work perfect, okay? I'm place a bet and show you how I make money right now. $16. Next coefficient 5.63. And I show you how I win money right now. Amazing, my friends. You see, I win money. It's real work perfect. It's amazing. Okay, I'm placing next bet. Next coefficient 2.08. Look how I win money right now. Amazing, you see, I win money. It's real work perfect. It's amazing. Okay, I'm placing next bet. It's a real big coefficient, guys. I like it. 5.69. You see, I'm place a bet for my amount, and I show you right now how I win a real big money. Look. Yes, it's amazing, my friends. You see, it's real work perfect. It's amazing. You see, my official Telegram channel, guys, and me, if you want this real working hack for 1xBet official website for Aviator Crash game. This is my history. You see my balance. I show you how it's work in other mobile Android phones, guys. 1xBet. 3 others mobile Android phone, guys, look. Yes, you see? Yes, it's worked perfect. It's real correct. This other mobile phone, guys. And this another mobile Android phone. Look, my friends. This is my application in 3 other mobile Android phone. You see, guys, all this real and work perfect. You see, my friends. All this work perfect, my friends. 3 another mobile Android phone. You see my balance. Go to the personal account, withdraw funds, and I withdraw it to my Visa card. Actual fresh date and fresh time 20 October 23 years, you see. Press confirm, guys, press OK. And now we just wait when my money withdraws from 1xbet wallet to my Visa card. It's about 1 or 2 minutes. Just wait a little bit, my friends, and my money withdraws. You see this official 1xbet website. Don't worry, my friends. 1xbet official website. Yeah, status change to approve, guys. My money was wrapped. If you want to make money like me, write me in my official Telegram channel. Bye bye, guys. See you later.